Every person attending the OnePlus 7 event gets a OnePlus swag bag. So today we'll be checking out the goodies which we get. First off, we get the OnePlus Type-C bullets, the OnePlus pin box, community card, OnePlus jersey, bookmarks and a voucher. OnePlus has also included the $500 coupon code which can be accessed or purchased in the OnePlus stores against the accessories. Now we have the OnePlus pins, and some stickers. These are of good quality though. Then we have the OnePlus Bullets Type-C. These offer a great sound for the bucks you pay, and it's actually worth $1,500 in India.